New Zealand's largest city, Auckland, has lifted its COVID-19 lockdown as authorities declare the outbreak is under control. But face masks are now mandatory on public transport across New Zealand. 9 new cases have been reported, mostly from a cluster in Auckland.
After nearly 3 weeks of tough lockdown measures, Auckland residents are being rewarded for staying home.
Today's the first day of Auckland being at alert level 2, and we're already seeing signs of the city getting back to normal, or some sense of normality.
Schools and some businesses have reopened. Residents can also now travel out of the city, but social distancing measures remain in place. It's still unclear where Auckland's outbreak began. Authorities expect new infections from the cluster to continue for some time, but they're not too worried.
It's a strong start, and as we've come to expect from the people of Auckland, people are getting on with it.
Residents across New Zealand have taken precautions to heart. Those taking public transport are now required to wear masks, and so far, about 90% of commuters have obeyed the rule.
I reckon as long as everyone's wearing masks like they should be, I'd feel rather safe. So far, everyone's been wearing masks as far as the eye can see.
The Prime Minister has chimed in, urging residents to keep doing their part.
What I hope is that we'll see that we see that being kept up and maintained. It is an added piece of vigilance, a tool that we have to keep ourselves and others safe.
Authorities say that they're confident in controlling the outbreak thanks to strict contact tracing. The government is looking to further review restrictions next month.